Hey, welcome to camping. It's the campsite where half of you'll be sleeping tonight. Anyways, just go get the good things. Welcome to the cabin. Spoopy. Spooky. Where did I die in? Someone saw the reflection of them dead, and someone saw them being placed in the toilet. Staying late. Let's go into two sleeping groups. I will be staying with the group at the cabin. Good shit. Yum. What are the other people doing? Oh, what the heck? Sad. It's the dance. It's the dance. Lol. Daniel seems to be taking this all very lightly. We find bad guy. We find the bad guy. Someone says Nevada. You're so racist. I had to sleep outside. I'm not racist. Bruh. Bruh, who you calling racist here? I swear, people just say, oh, you're racist. Oh good, and I'll be. Gotta jump the dupes and stuff. No one's leaving without me. Wait. No, I'm not. I'm not racist. I'm no racist. Wait, but Roblox does not allow the N-word. What? When would I ever go to a Roblox and say the N-word? Ah, Jesus Christ. It's raining. Get in, it's wet and damp, and it's apparently acid rain. I'm gonna be dead. I'm a person that respects people. I think the rain has stopped. It's like the storm ruined our fire, too, man. Hold on, let me go get. Let me go get wood. Good. Wood. Wood. Now let me take we'll take it to campfire. What is this? I can't even read all that. How does anybody do that? Good job getting the fire started. If you'll excuse me, I need to grab something. Okay, Okay, Daniel, come back. Wait. Daniel's gonna go get something from the cabin. Waiting for the rat. Daniel's no rat. Daniel's a sussy baka. Yum hot dog. Run! Do you hear that? It's an explosive! Don't shoot! No! Yes, thank the Lord. I can't believe you're almost going to kill me. Oh, thank God. Thank the Lord, Daniel is saved. Daniel is spared. Thank the Lord. There's a massive storm. We will take shelter in the hole. We're historic. We'll write the greatest camp story known to mankind. We gotta take shelter in the hole. The hole's our only option. We have to take shelter. And here we are. The hole. Daniel. Alright. I think we're about to finish camping too. Wait, how did Daniel... What? How did Daniel get in the hole so quick? We need a different way out. Crap. Snakes. We're here. Tim, the murderer. Bad guy. Why are you doing this? Thank God I managed to get up here in time. If not, I would have been dead. Ooh, and that was a close call. I survived myself. Do you know who I am? Wait a minute. You're Zach Nolan. Wow, what a surprise. Okay, I have to reveal it. I know the story by now. I've learned the camping story, especially the timeline from Parrot BT. That's right. I'm the man who killed a family of 5 in Specky Woods, and now I'm coming to kill you. No! It's the monster from the first game, not the whole family. No, the sun. Yes, we're saved. I'm free. Oh God. Oh God, that's just brutal. Certified Ranger. We survived the 3 nights. Camping. I think that's it, everyone. There's Camping 2 for you. To be continued? I don't know. Do I want to continue? I don't know. I think that's Camping 2 for us. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed Camping 2. Next time, we'll play Hotel. And, yeah, we'll see how that goes. If you enjoyed, then thanks for watching. And, enjoy camping. Enjoy camping for the summer. For me, I'm gonna get out of the cave, and then I'm gonna go back to my house and then figure out what the hell did I just witness. I just witnessed this son just kill the damn dude. And this is the badge I get. Congratulations, you're a certified ranger. You survived the 3 nights in the wilderness. Nice job. Survived the 3 nights? I barely survived there. I almost died. Good for me that I don't need to do this. Oh wait, but I'll probably I'll probably upload I'll probably upload another video where I show the secret ending, because believe it or not, Camping 2 has a secret ending that you can unlock. And it's a bit out there, and I'll probably make a video just detailing how to get there. And don't worry, the secret ending doesn't require you to play the whole game again. You can play, you can get the secret ending whenever you want. You don't have to beat the game once and to unlock it. But hey, the counts. Good job. I'm done. I'm a certified ranger. I'll be hunting Zach Nolan in the hotel, and I'll see you folks next time. Good luck, and now I'll just need to go take an elevator right now. Bye.